Tonight on a very special Sandwich Dad. Hey, it's me. It's your Sandwich Dad. I got something for you. You know, seeing as how it's the long weekend and all, I started just a sandwich shop of stuff with my logo and my cutting board on it. It's a shop. Go and check it out in the link tree. It's in my bio on my profile. Go now. Look at all this stuff you can buy. You can buy shirts with the logo, or toques, or beanies as you might call them. There's even hats up there. I did a little soft open in my store over on my Instagram. Go check me out there as well. And someone bought something already. My friend Jen Grier bought a sweet Sandwich Dad hat, and so to honor her as my first customer, I'm going to make her a special sandwich. And I bought some fancy shit, too. All right. We're going to use a little bit of bacon, a nice little deli blend of eat more sprouts. I will eat more. Thank you for the suggestion. I've got an alligator pear, some beautiful Balderson's 20-month cheddar, extra fort. And by request, I've made some special fridge pickles, which is just some cucumbers and some bell peppers and some onions and some fresh thyme and vinegars. Here it is all here. And my friend Jen is from the prairies, so I got some artisan gold prairie sunflower bread. Here we go. So let's fry up some bacon. Now, this isn't going to be a grilled sandwich, but I'm still going to toast the outside with some butter. Put it in the pan, get just one side nice and crisp. I'm going to sweat some of that nice cheddar on there, too. There we go. Then the avocado, salt and pepper, touch of lime. Fridge pickle goes on the cheese, and sprouts, faint whisper of creamy cucumber dressing. Then the bacon, and then we combine. Cut diagonally. And behold, the Jen Grier. Thank you, Jen. That's phenomenal. Thank you so much. Go check out my store, link in bio, as it were. Apologize for that. Sandwich Dad, good day.